Hi, my name is Mashungmi Zingkhai and I'm from Manipur state. We started our journey on 19th of May 2020 and we are expected to reach Jiribam on 21st of May 2020. Regarding our journey, it was 1 week back. We get a website from Telangana government where the migrant have to register their names. Those who are trying to go back home. So we also register our name here. And on 18th May 2020, that was in the morning around 11:30. We get a call from police. So we didn't get any prior notice before that, but on 18 we get a call from police and we were told to come along with the luggage to the nearest police station that is in Malakpet since we are from there. So we reached the police station and after that we were told to stay for a while for some checking. So after all the checking was done, we were put to a bus. So we were around 20 in the bus, and from there we were taken to one of the bus stop. So again from that bus stop, we shifted to another bus where we were around 40 of us in the bus, and we were taken to a railway station. After reaching railway station, we were told to remain for some time. So while doing that, they also do a scanning and also they issue a ticket. And from where we get into, after getting a ticket, we get into a train, and that's how we started our journey. And for that very night, we started our journey on uh, 19. That was early morning. We also get some food items for our dinner. On the 19th of May in the morning, we were provided food which was in the train. So we had that in the morning. And uh, in the evening, like when we pass by some station, we also receive water. From one station, I remember we received one water bottle and also one biscuit that we received, and that was about 19 May, and today that is 20 May. In the morning, we received a water bottle from another station, and also we received one chips, which costs around 5 rupees, I guess. So we didn't got any breakfast, and just before we got a breakfast from one station, but it could not able to reach to every one of us because there was a lot of rush and we could not get it. So this is what happening right now in the train. So yeah, thank you. Uh, some of the challenges which we faced are like sharing of washroom together. So it was a big challenge and it was also very risky for us to share the bathroom and or washroom together. So since we don't know like who are positive who are, and who are not, so it's very risky for all of us. And also like uh, the challenges which we face, the another challenges which we face is regarding food items, since we were not prepared and we were not given prior notice before that we'll be traveling on that day on or on this day, so for which we didn't prepare well and we didn't carry enough food items. So we didn't know that in the train this will happen. So this was also another challenge that everyone faced, not only me, most of us. That's what I want to share. As we all know, this virus is new to every one of us, even to the government. So even the government might have faced a lot of difficulties while following a lot of protocols to avoid uh, to get effect from this very virus. So we can improve little bit uh, like I have one little advice to the concerned authorities for those who are still yet to travel back to their hometown. It will be good if the concerned authorities give prior notice to all the people who have stranded in different states about their date of travel when they are going to travel. So it will be very good if they can give 1 or 2 days ahead prior notice to them so that they can prepare for the travel, and also it will be helpful for those who have families and who have kids. That's what I want to convey to the concerned authorities. Uh, from my side, I would like to personally thank our Honorable Chief Minister Biren Singh and also the CM of Telangana for uh, such initiative that they have taken to bring the migrant back to their own state. I really thank them for their financial support and for everything, for all the services they have given to each and every one of us. And I'm also very thankful regarding the train ticket. It was free of cost. So uh, it's a blessing for some of the passenger who could not able to book a ticket. So I really want to thank to all the concerned authorities for such humanity act. Moreover, I would also like to thank to all the concerned MLAs, uh, Sir Lacio, Sir Kishim, and Sir Alfred, for their continuous work towards the welfare of the people, for their tireless service. And I would also like to thank to all the CSOs like TKS, TNL, etc., for working day and night for the people, and also to all the village authorities for making arrangement for quarantine centers. We really thank you for your physical and financial support to those who are coming back home. We really thank you. We may not able to give back in return anything.